Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rati Yuliana, you may call me Rati. My SADAN ID number is 1903211000006. I'm from Agri Business Study Program, Agriculture Faculty, University of Trunojoyo Madura. So I made this video to fulfill my final examination of Marketing Management course or Manajemen Pemasaran, which is to explain the competitive of Indonesia's coffee export. So just get started with the first slide. Okay, before that, I will explain that there are three discussions of this video. The first is about case rectory review, the second is about strategy and tips on export business, and the last is about the competitive of Indonesia's coffee export. Okay, now let's talk about the first discussion, which is the case rectory review. So, on several webinars that were held some time ago, I took two topics. The first topic is about entrepreneurship social media management, case study in micro, small, and medium enterprises and cooperative. The speaker is Muhammad Wahyu Firdaus, and from that case lecturer, I can acknowledge on how to use social media properly and wisely to support business improvement. And I can also find out what strategy and tips I can do to maximize the promotion and sale of my business. Okay, the second theme is honing leadership ability to form entrepreneurship sprint in student. The speaker is Muhammad Yusri Muhtadi, Bachelor of Agriculture, and from this guest lecturer, I learned how to be a leader for myself before becoming a leader for others through mindful concept. In addition, the speaker also explained how the character of a leader must be owned by entrepreneurs, and the speaker said that the concept of leadership is closely related to the educational motto, which is Ing Ngarso Sung Tulodo, Ing Madyo Mangunkarso Tuturi Handayani, which means in front give an example, those in the middle put attention, those behind give support. Okay, before we discuss about export business strategy and tips, I will explain to you about the meaning of export first. So, export is an activity of removing an item from the custom area. The custom area is an area belonging to the Republic Indonesia consisting of land, water, and air areas, which also include all certain areas within the exclusive economic zone. So, in the simple term, export is an activity of releasing goods from within the country to a port while still meeting the standard of existing regulation and provision. Okay, now let's talk about the second discussion, which is strategy and tips for an export business. So, the first is selecting and assigning product to destination countries. So the first time you have to do when you are going to build an export business is to determine the product and the country of export destination. This way you can then focus more on developing your sales and marketing technique, and then information about export business trend to the needs of foreign people can be obtained by conducting surveys on internet or business forum. Okay, the second is complete business legality. So in export business activities, it is very important to have business legality. Prepare starting from SEUP, NPWP, Custom Identification Number, TDP, and etc. This document is very important because it concerns the business administration process between countries. Okay, the third is export document. When the legality of the business is complete, the next step is to prepare export document. Export document that you must prepare include invoice, packing list, and bills of lading. Okay, for the fourth is create and register a business website to an international portal. So to make it easier for a buyer to access your product, we recommend creating a business website and online catalog. You can find out all product information from the description to the contact person. There are several business platforms that you can visit to visit your business, such as www.alibaba.com or www.portal.go.id, and you can quickly find online forum to meet exporter and importers. Okay, the fifth is take advantage of government facilities. In order to support local business to go international, the Indonesian government and the private sector have provided various business facilities. Especially, it can be used by novice exporter. Through www.djpen.kemendak.go.id, you can see trade representative from the Directorate of National Export Development on 5 continents, and don't forget to take advantage on international exhibition facilitated by Indonesia government. An example like Trade Expo Indonesia. Okay, the sixth is utilize social media as sustainable online marketing. As an international running business, you can monitor customer relationship through social media. With unlimited internet access, your business can be recognized more widely by customers in other parts of the world. Make consumer trust on your business more by communicating and marketing through business social media. Examples are Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and several other social media that are sustainable for your type of business. Okay, the last is rely on online accounting software to manage finance. So in running an export business, you will be in contact with various parties. The suppliers and the customer are people who are abroad. It takes accounting software that has multi-currency or multi-currency feature that are integrated with online exchange rates from Bank Indonesia. In a accounting business financial transaction, you no longer need to do manual exchange rate calculation. Okay, now let's talk about the last discussion, and the commodity that I choose is coffee. I choose coffee because Indonesia has great potential to be exported with its production volume and diversity of species. But unfortunately, the potential of Indonesia coffee has not been fully optimized, so that our export perform only occupies on 13th position at this time. For this reason, we will discuss what the potential of Indonesian coffee in export market. Okay, before we discuss about the potential of coffee in Indonesia, I will review about coffee first. So coffee is a very popular product in the world. Just imagine, coffee products are the second largest export commodity in the world. Arabica and Robusta are two types of coffee that are most in demand in global market. If we look at the level of consumption, around 70% in the world population are consumer of Arabica coffee, which have a mild and aromatic taste. Meanwhile, the remaining of 30% in the world population are Robusta coffee consumer, which have a bitter taste and 50% higher caffeine content than Arabica coffee. There are two main categories of coffee product in export market, namely green bean and coffee bean. Okay, now let's talk about the potential of Indonesia coffee in export market. Although currently Indonesia's coffee market share is still small in the world export market, there are at least three things that make coffee has such great potential for export by Indonesian small medium enterprises. The first is abundant production. Indonesia is the fourth largest country that produces coffee bean after Brazil, Vietnam, and Colombia. This makes our coffee product have advantage in production volume compared to other countries. Okay, the second is export space is bigger than domestic consumption. Although Indonesia has 270 million people who are also coffee consumer, around 60 until 70% of Indonesia coffee bean production is reported to be exported to the global market. This means that this is a large capacity of exporting coffee even though domestic coffee consumption is also high. Okay, the last is various types of unique and popular Indonesian coffee origin in the world. So Indonesia is one of the countries that has the most type of coffee origin, or we call it single origin. There are various types of Indonesia coffee origin from various regions in Sumatra, Java, Bali, Flores to Papua. It has been proven that each type of Indonesian coffee has a distinctive and unique taste. In fact, many types of Indonesian coffee are already popular in the world, such as Toraja and Mandailing coffee. Okay, I think enough. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video can be useful for us, and see you on the next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.